Hey, how's it going? And today I'm just going to show you how to add these scene comments to a LightWave scene. Very handy if you want to leave a note for yourself or someone else, or just a positive affirmation or something like that. You just come in here to Utilities and you go to Python, and then it brings you to the Python library, and then you go to Layout and you go to Generic, and it's right here. Click it and it pulls up this, and you can name it whatever you want. But my first scene comment, and then you might say, maybe you'll say something like, come on guys, you can do better than this, I want results. And then you just go okay, and then you don't really want to lock it, so you just say no, and then there it is, and you can leave it for your team in the morning, and I'm sure that'll get their day off just great. I don't believe you can really edit this once it's done. However, if you come into, if you're on the item, because it's attached to a null, if you come into properties, if you go to appearance and double click this, you can change like the colors and stuff like that. And if you come up here to edit, you can actually, I believe, change the title description, but you can't edit text as far as I know. The other thing you can do if you don't want to type directly into LightWave is you can go to Python again, double click this, and you can pull it from a text file. So if you have a lot more to say, you can come here, it's just a text. It doesn't wrap or anything. Let me see, I'll go one and go okay. No, and look, it comes into this big old block of text. It looks kind of cool. It's just a nice, nifty little feature you may or may not have use for. Anyway, take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.